I was gonna compare it, and tell me if I'm wrong here, to the Mustang, where it's like it's a little bit too big. It's probably a little bit hard to drift, like harder than another chassis would, and
Yep.
without like a team similar to RTR and like the factory support that Ford has, like Chevy's not really supporting
Exactly.
Chevy. It might just not be the best idea.
Right. Yeah.
And the thing is that I feel like Vaughn has done such a good job
Oh
at
yeah,
promoting that car as
yeah.
Yeah.
a viable option for drifting. He's helped
Yep.
he's helped create the aftermarket for it.
I'm
He's
sure
made
Ford
it.
had some say in that though. They were like,
I mean,
use the new one, dog.
it's super cool that Ford has gotten so on board with that in general. You
Mhm.
Yeah.
Chevrolet could really give two shits less about drifting.
Hmm.
So that's a bummer
They're
for
breaking
me.
my heart.
But yeah, me too. I mean, I my family's business is Chevrolet dealership since 1928.
Holy smokes, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm the fourth. I'm the fourth. I'm the fourth generation, and that's my day-to-day, job. Basically sales, parts service, running the
Hell
dealership.
Yeah.
So yeah, of course, I would love Chevrolet to be involved, but hasn't gone that way so far.
Yeah.
Hopefully someday we'll put it out in the
I-
universe.
Hopefully,
I do- I
told,
I
they
could
told
see
me
it soon.
they told me at one point, well, unless you build an electric Camaro,
Ugh.
then we're probably not going to be interested. Well, I'm like, here, it already exists, and you guys still don't care. So
Right.
Yep.